Izwi lomzansi 98.0
Malusi Purpleshepard Shezi bra wami sobona kunjani welcome ohlelweni the weekend joy kunjani
Yaphila bhuti kanjani
ngiyaphila mfethu ubani uMalusi Shezi mfethu konke
basically uMalusi Shezi mfethu I go by the name of Purpleshepard Chitosa Mlazi I grew up in Mlazi but I'm no longer there now singapha kudlini ngolwandle
okay
phezulu
all right
yeah
and mfethu abantu bathanda bakulandela ngendlela okhuluma ngayo kakhulukazi nomuntu omusha ingakho sibizile kule ngosi le ngoba lana suke sizogqugquzela nje abantu abasha ezinto esikhulumayo ukwakhana indlela eya phambili ukhuluma ngezinto eziningi ezahlukahlukene uyakhuluma ngokuhlala endaweni zasemalokishini noma mhlawumbe ukuhlala kwi-surrounding la khona abantu bengayiphambili kakhulu empilweni awukhulumi ne bad way ukhuluma indlela ukuthi sometimes kuyasiza ukuthi uthi ukuxebuka kancane mangabe uyabona ukuthi impumelelo ayikho and awusabe ukukhuluma ngemali akuyinto thina abantu abamnyama asikhulumi ngokwanele ngemali like asikhulumi ngokwanele ngemali and ngiyabona I think benine coffee conversations ensukwini noma emavikini adlule and diweni ukhuluma ngawo ngemali nibiza ngegama ukuthi bro ngisho noma ukuthiwa wenze u80 rand ngosuku imali leyo because ayikho umuntu ozokupha u80 rand ukuthiwa wenza u200 rand and nikusho nize ningene deep yakhulukazi like kubantu besilisa ukuthi as a man kumele ucabange ngemali osukwini clean imali clean obviously but nikubeka kucace lokho ukuthi kumele ucabange ngemali like yini ekwenza ukuthi information onayo nolwazi onalo ufuna ukuthi share nabantu abasha kakhulukazi
hey first to be honest with you, I mean, for me, poverty is the motivation. I come from a very poor family. I grew up in a household, my mom was the only breadwinner. It's about 16.
16?
Yeah.
And nantolo mama phela?
Uma wami yena wayesebenza khona no auntie bami la nenganza. So I saw my mom struggling and try to make an ends meet esebenzela nje makuleni lapha eClearwood eholela nje 300 rand so it was very difficult
okay
so that was a motivation for me you know to really and try and help edladleni and so basically that's the whole purpose of why I do what I do yeah
and then wena mangabe usuwenza izinto zenzeka ziyaphambili umunye umuntu angathi no ngiright mina ngiyakwazi ukuzenzela izinto ziye phambili yini ekwenza ukuthi usacrifice isikhathi sakho la ukukhuluma nabantu nibe nama conversation nibe neinkomfa zamahala la khona abantu beyifikela free ukhulume nabo for free mhlawumbe kwezinye zezindawo nithola amavenu acostayo yini ekwenza ukuthi uwenze lokho
I'm passionate about black man you know there's no ayikho fethi indawo or space where I'm out afia khona ayikhulume ngezinto ezibahlukumezayo you know you see abantu besimama bahlezi benama events
bahlangana banama support group
so as for men we struggle you know and the agenda ke khona ke vele to make sure that asihlangane as men you know especially as black men so we are trying to create a safe space for them out to come and speak and express themselves and also ngagcini ngalokho sisizana ukuthi how can we come together and help each other to you know learn skills or plugane nje any noma ikuphi la umuntu akhona you know azama ukusizana so that soya phambili because into ebalekile ukuthi sihlangane abantu abanyama mfethu kunzima ukuthi bahlangane you know bahlangana ngezinto engasile but lokho right okusile abahlangana so that's what we trying to do you know with these conversation ukuthi let's come together you know because ngeke siqobe mfethu lempe ebhekene nabantu abanyama singahlangene so that's the whole purpose of these conversation
komuntu omusha mfethu ngabe wesifazane noma owesilisa umfana noma intombazana and uyasho ukuthi ngiyastrugglisha abanye abantu bagcina mhlambe sebe addicted ku pornography abanye bagcina begembula which is not too bad which is not bad at all if yazi into yenzayo and uyakwazi ukuyicontrola abanye bagcina sebekwenze se addicted into njengalezo sethi impilo like ngiyahluleka ngiyagive up akwenzeki lutho like abantu abanjalo sizama kanjani ukuthi sibabuyise ukuthi no nayi lights la engakhona singakwazi ukuthi uye phambili empilweni
To be honest with you, bro, I don't like but I don't like motivation. You know, one of the thing ends abantu bagithi banga shinji is because they're expecting someone to come and save them. You know, we are been especially South Africans, we are conditioned to think that someone is coming to save us. No one is coming.
Because abanye mhlawumbe sikujwayele emndenini.
Yeah, you know,
families.
Yeah, kunale entitlement ekhona kuma South Africans. You know, ukuthi khona umuntu ozofika azosisiza. You know, no one owes you anything emhlabeni. You know, no one is coming to save you. You need to wake up and save yourself.
Yeah.
You know, and I realized that long time ago, no one was coming. And I was waiting for someone to come and help me. No, they didn't save me, you know, and I had to wake up and then learn a skill for myself so that I can able to make money, you know. And I did that, you know, and for 5 years working on the skill, not being profitable after 7 years, and then I made my first million. So I didn't wait for anyone to come and help me.
Sure.
So I had to do it for myself. So what I can say to young people, especially in South Africa, we know that we are short of skill in this country, and it's by design too because of our education system. But there's money on the internet.
Online, bro.
Yeah.
On the internet.
Plenty. You know, if I can tell you how much did I make last night on the internet.
Last night?
Yeah. So I'm just saying there's money on the internet. You know, so we young people need to wake up and learn skills on the internet and learn how to make money, because money is going digital right now.
Kunjalo. Oh yeah, awungena deeper kule ukuthi imali nge iya digital, because I think I saw something yakho la uthi khona even kwezinye zezitolo mawukhokha ngo cash basa accept. You know, ngaya gateway kwesinye sezitolo la bedayisa khona lama phone lawa. So ngelo ngisindaba iCloud storage yami yabo, and then mangidinga u200 so ngikhiphe mina u200 note yabo yabo, and this guy abe nokuqwa bese ngithi awuthe u200 athi angisabajwayela abantu abakhokha ngo cash, and then uyisho nawe leyo nto leyo.
Now there's if you go to World Bank or MIF website, you see that there's a slogan that says by 2035 we're going to create a cashless society. So the plan is to make sure that they get rid of cash. Now everything is going digital, right? So money is digital.
Yeah.
Last year I printed digital rand. Before beginning of the year in America they created digital dollar. So everything is going digital right now because of changing wemali. So every 100 years imali yashintsha, my brother. So money right now is digital. So the reason why they're no longer taking cash is because yonke into bafuni be digital. You know, so you hear now also relate to a smart city. A smart city operates on digital money. And they were launching digital ID 2 months ago.
Yes.
So everything is going to be digital. So basically it's just because they want to control us.
Bro, kunenkulumo esho Akon and then ngifuna ukuthi silalele nawe, and then ubese ke uyakhuluma kuyona ukuthi ucabanga ngayo, ukhuluma la with the president obizwa Big Boy asizwe la.
Every family has that breadwinner, right? Where all the blessings flow through that person.
Oh my God, I say the same thing.
No, seriously, like every family has that, right? So that person has to also now know that responsibility that he had. They can't be like, man, he gotta get his own. No, God put it through you because you're the beacon to prepare for everybody else. And that's just natural, right? So your job is empower anyone closer to you to help you assist with what it is your role is. Then once it becomes bigger than the family, it becomes friends and people that you're attached to. Then it becomes the world.
Right.
So the more your responsibilities is recognized and you actually following through, you just become a bigger beacon to more people.
Alright, yeah, mfethu, and lena iya kuyile sijolo sikhulume ngolimi la South Africa Breadwinner. Abanye bayibona njengendlela right, kubala nami kubona because ngiyibona nje ukuthi like if uthi akufanele mhlambe ngisiza abantu basemndenini akuzwakali kahle mhlamba abangani bami, and then abanye bathi kodwa kugcineni kumele ukuthi umuntu ayimele azenzele yena. Ucabanga ngani ngale nto sikhaliselalela?
Well, we've had such conversation. If you understand the context which was amukthini lomchitelo, you realize ukuthi thina lento ebreadwinner ngokwethu in South Africa, we have made it as if like if we breadwinner kumele kube uwe ozocontrol abantu in the household. That's why bengayithandi. It has become so toxic now because of that.
Ngoba bathi ngisho umncane ufuna ukutshela ubhuti wakho omdala ukuthi kwenzakaleni,
which is wrong. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
because
it is wrong.
If uNkulunkulu ekubusisile wena kwawena izinto ezikulungelayo akuchaza ukuthi kumele ungabahloniphi laba abantu
Yes.
nathi esidependele kuyena lo yobesiza akuchaza ukuthi kumele sisulo imali to help imndeni wakhe if capacity awunayo
Yes.
njengoba echaza nje waykhona bro it's because lo muntu osuke obusisiwe ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi asize umndeni wakhe ngoba unayo capacity to help you know mina I once asked God ukuthi ngesinye isikhathi why abantu abangakholwa kuyibona abanemali ukudlula abakholwayo. Then I realized uNkulunkulu what no because bane capacity to hold that money that's why it's easy for them to manage imali basize nabanye abantu yabo so udinga capacity for all of this thing even now umndeni wakho ukuthi usize yabo so into Breadwinner even though igama ngalithandi mina
angilithandi nami
now if we are size kahle sikhuluma lento all the time and I've told them out many times if you are size again be honest with your family sit them down tell them how much money you're making and imali ozokwazi ukusiza ngayo for isikhathi singakanani because awukwazi ukusiza forever inkingi lapho ke emndenini yethu once wasize emakhaya ethu bafuna usize ngunaphakade kanti ayihambi kanjalo wena uyiqala nini yakhe impilo ngingabatshela lo family once waqala wasebenza 10 years nje bro ulungisa into zakhe namaphutha ababo wakho
and sinazama ukuthi ingane zethu zingangeni kule yonke inkinga
I understand so but now after that 10 years kuma uqala impilo yakho so that's why you need to set your family down especially uma wakho umchazele say kanje sisters for the next 10 years of course I'm going to help you but after that I sisuzozibone you know but I must make sure ukuthi khona into engiyenzayo engibazamela engizobashiyana ezobafakela imali
yes ibaqhube
mina ke ngiphume kubona
mfethu yazi izinto ezikhulumayo izinto esizodinga la isikhathi eside kodwa ke ngicabanga usazobuya vele kuyona ishow ngisazophinda invite futhi angakakuvali for now bese ke mfethu ngifuna sibheka kakhulukazi mhlawumbe lesizoyenza ukuthi ibe ngiyokugcina kunomuntu okasho ukuthi yeah it's easier for you Purpleshepard ukuthi ukhulume kanjalo ngoba wena vele mhlawumbe uneskill esithile special because ihlezi sina something esizoyisho ngizobona uSimilo lana ushama video right uya editor u direct ama music video ngithi yaphatha une skill so umuntu othi abone skill abone lutho kuyena lo muntu sizakala kanjani
well you need to like I said earlier you need to be honest with yourself you know you can never change or you can never become something great if you don't move from your environment
right
the people you associate yourself with and also a man is his mind you need to change your mind and transform your mind how do you do that by learning from those who have walked the walk by investing in reading books you know what I mean by making sure that you're surrounding yourself with abantu who are winning and are going forward and ask questions too so you awukwazi mfethu ukusuka la ukhona ukushintsha impilo yakho if you're still doing the same thing that you've been doing for the past 4 years you know what I mean that's why mina ngibatshela angihlala labantu abangenamali angibafuni because iphelelana into abangenamali
this guy sure
yeah I don't take advice from people who are broke angihlala labantu abangenayinyoko why because I'm helping myself to shape where I'm going ngiyazazi ukuthi ngifuna ukuyaphi
okay
you know if I sit around people I must motivate them to make sure ukuthi ma out senza njani uzithola inyungu because ibalekile akwazi ukuthi sihlale ngesikhamisa silokhu sibalisa sonke
yes
we need to come up with solutions so now as a person akusiza ukuba nama excuses there's no excuse right now especially in the day and age where there's so much information my brother awukwazi ukuba
YouTube is the university
you know what I mean there's so much information and the futhi enye yezinye izinto elula for us if we out find something to sell awuyakulambe futhi ungakwazi ukudayisa once ungakwazi ukudayisa asoze walamba dayisa nginemali bro yabona umama bala badayisa lezi zinto
yes
we once did an interview
serious
yeah do you know how much money these women are making bro
noma ngazi but it's something
abanye baba bafundisa ingane zabo kuma boarding school
sure
and they paying about 35,000 for their kids to study there but bala exeni badayisa amacansi nayo
yes
so there's money in selling so find something to sell
le ukuthi mfethu uma ngabe ukuthi ungaselokushini noma ngasemakhaya ngabashiya abantu okhule nabo and ukube kwacaca ukuthi usuphumile lokushini udila kanjani ke naleyo because now sebezokubona sonke ngemoto evulekayo
ethe khohla abantu ngewenzele lutho bashiye mina ngihlezi ngisho all the time if you want to grow in life shiya abangani bakho okhule nabo
sure
you will never have growth if usazohlala nabantu okhule nabo awusoze wayandawo nabantu okhule nabo awusoze wayandawo ekaso khule kulona
but nalento leyo ukuthi ngiyibamba le ndawo ingakhile
you can't expect change then yini kwakhile ilokishi fethu alidalelwanga ukuthi sihlale kulona we all know the history of
yithi
ilokishi.
akheka kanjani.
So akuyona indawo yokuhlala le. So if ithuba livela hamba ungabheki futhi emuva, because we were not created ukuthi siphile kanjeyana, because lapha siminyene and kulula ukuthi sibe nomona ngoba ingqondo yethu ibophene. There's no inspiration in lokishini, dog. You can't be inspired when you're lokishini. So if you want to go somewhere in life, you need places that are going to ease you as of inspiration. You know, so you can't be inspired for to la umakholana uyachama la now you know, you can't.
Ngeke phambili
No, you
mangakunjalo.
can't. Yeah, so nanokuthi bro, most of piano bangani ngeke uyendawo if it's in life. Mawumjita nje piano bangani.
Yes.
You're not going to go anywhere.
Sure. Coffee conversations sesivala mfethu. Yaqhamuka kanjani? Yaqala kanjani le kuza ama group endabana shayayo?
So basically if it's the reason why we started it, a friend of mine ngangi best man emshadweni wakhe tried to commit suicide. Yeah. So on
before shot noma?
No, after seshadile.
Okay.
They've been married I think for almost like 8 years with nonkosikazi wakhe.
Okay.
So one time I post mfethu ama video nama pictures ku WhatsApp wakhe yabo. But I'm posting unkosikazi wakhe. I posted ingane zakhe, you know. So I'm posting unkosikazi. And then I was like, what's going on with this guy? Yeah, and then I asked him, are you okay? I said, no, I'm not okay. But I don't want to talk to you because I was convinced with ngayenzi lento. I'd say faith. I'm thinking of killing myself now, you know.
And lo muntu unikhuluma naye efonini akekho la ukuthi
no.
And awazi ukuthi in between izokwenzakalani before umbone.
So immediately once I said waivala on WhatsApp and I respond. So I will shy moto straight to his house.
Yes.
So when I got there, I feel nkosikazi bayihlalele on the main house nengane nungemove because bane practice emzini wabo.
Okay.
So ungemove office. So mangifika lapha ngibuza ibindoda ithi ngemove. Mangifika lapha the guy's rolling on the floor. So it was like 5-2 before that guy amash. You know, and then I'm Caesar, I'm cleaner and everything, and then I was and then I was like, bro, what's going on? You know, and started telling me what's going on, and then I realized how much it has thing space so kuluma. You know, a lot of guys are going through a lot. So that's how I started it.
Yes. And bakhona abantu abaqhamukayo asuke khona sengcono kakhulu.
Bro, plenty. Oh man, baningi mfethu. Angifuna mama abanye they don't even come to our conversation, but these conversations
online. Yeah, njengami kwabamba online.
Siyabasiza kakhulu. I mean, we have managed to help so many guys. Ukuthi ezinye izinto mfethu angithanda ukukhuluma ngazo mina, but I see posts ezinye izinto.
Okay.
But there's so many guys. I think we've managed to create jobs, bro, for our art. Probably 20% of our art. You know, and asizakala from these conversations. And nabanye sibasize by taking them ukuthi sibaye kuma therapist, you know, abasize, you know, who are going through mental illness, you know, situation. So yeah, we've been trying to do that work, and baningi mfethu abantu bufakazi from these conversations. These are not just conversations. We have created a community. Yamachita faith apusha, and this senza sure ukuthi we hold each other accountable to, you know, asigcine nje ukuthi sikhulume kuphela. If we take into zoyenza siyakubuza ukuthi how far are you, you know. If better siyakhipha ku WhatsApp group yethu, we don't have time.
Malusi mfethu ngenxa yesikhathi asisekodwa ke sophina sik-invite futhi ngelinye ilanga sizokhuluma nawe la because sivule ifeature la nje sikhulumela khona nabantu abasha because abanye abantu balahla ithemba, abanye abantu umuntu vele abone ukuthi angikho good enough, ayikho into engakwazi ukuthi ngiyenze iye phambili. But if I see abantu abanjengawe, abantu abavele nje badile isikhathi sabo, information abana bathi no le information ngiyasigcina kuthina but sizokwazi ukuthi size nabanye abantu. Kuyangijabulisa ukubona abantu abakanjalo, and I think kulama conversations eniba nawo ngizokhuluma nawe mhlambe eceleni ukuthi ungithumelele abantu abathile ababe ama guest lana sizokhuluma le ndaba le. First siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi bengxenye ohlela.
Thank you so much, man.
Alright, igama lakhe nguMalusi Shezi. Kuma social media mfethu tholakala kanjani?
I go by the name of Purpleshepard, all social media platforms.
Purpleshepard kuma social media wonke. Okay, siyabonga kakhulu mfethu. TikTok ngiyakulandela TikTok, ngisanda kulandela. Alright, umuntu angene kakhulu ku Instagram a check ama videos. Thank you so much, bro.
Thanks, man.